What's your favorite subject, John?
I think that's physics. I like dealing with matter, energy, motion, and force. And I want to know as much as possible about them.
Wow, that sounds great.
And what's your favorite subject, Jill?
I suppose that's history. I like to know how people lived in the past. That fascinates me.
That's so cool. Science has many fields. Some of them are: 1. Natural science is the science studying natural phenomena. 2. Social science is the science studying the behavior of human beings. 3. Applied science is the area where the scientific research is applied to the needs of human beings. What spheres can each of these fields of science include? Natural science includes physics, biology, geography, chemistry, earth science, astronomy, ecology. Pronounce the new words and make sentences with them. Social science includes psychology, education, history, politics. Sociology. Pronounce the new words and make sentences with them. Applied science includes economics, computer science, engineering, management, health science. Pronounce the new words and make sentences with them. There are some words that are widely used in any science. Try to guess their meaning. These words are: 1. Experiments, tests. 2. Safe and sound, not damaged. 3. Study, learn something. 4. Society, a lot of people together. 5. Research, look for the information about something. 6. Natural, not artificial. 7. Behavior, the way that somebody or something reacts to the situation. 8. Interested in, to be fond of something. In the English language, there are some words that seem to be very similar. But if you have a closer look, you'll find some differences. Today's examples of such words are raise, lift, and put up. You can put your hand up, lift something to move it. Raise means to lift or move to a higher position or level.